Hi, welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain here. We carry on with the production chapter, that is production, its concepts, what exactly is production, and the concepts you have in this. This comes under producer behavior and supply in microeconomics. So in the production chapter, we will be talking about total product, average product, and marginal product. Of course, remember this we are talking about in the short period, in the short run. We already know that in the short period or short run, the firm cannot increase its fixed factors of production, such as machines, building, structures, top management. If the firm wants to increase its production, it can do so by increasing only the variable factors of production. It can be raw materials, it can be labor, it can be electricity, such things. So in the production chapter, we take mostly labor units. So let's see, we have already seen what happens to output in the short period as we go on increasing a variable factor, that is labor, on the same number of fixed factors. So we have seen in the last video what happened to the total product. Total product increases to some extent, then reaches maximum and comes down. The total product increases initially, then it becomes constant and declines if you go on engaging on the same fixed factor of production. Now today we talk about average product. What exactly is average product? Or you can call it as average output, or you can call it as average physical units in terms of physical units. So mostly we call it as average product, AP or APP. Average product or average physical product. What exactly is average product? Average product is an average how many units of output each laborer is giving to the firm. We can find out average product by dividing the total product with the number of labor units. For example, if 10 laborers are producing 20 pence, so on an average, each laborer is giving you 2 pence. How do we get that? AP is equal to TP upon number of units, number of labor units. So in this case, the total product is 20 pence by engaging 10 laborers. So average product is 20 upon 10, that is equal to 2. That means on an average, each laborer is giving you 2 pence. That is average product. So I repeat again, average product is per unit production of labor. AP is equal to TP upon labor units. We call it as TP upon variable factors of production. So variable factor, we always take it as labor units. Now let's see what happens in the short period or in the short run as we go on increasing a variable factor, laborers, on the same fixed factor, because you cannot increase the fixed factor in the short period. When you go on increasing a variable factor on the same fixed factor, what happens to average product? Average product first increases and reaches its maximum and constant, then declines. It goes up maybe 4, 6, 8, or maybe 8 again, and then 6, 4, 2. So it keeps on declining. That's average product. So we can see here on the table, I explained you, see on the board, average product AP or average physical product or average output means same thing. So you can see in the first column in the table, average product table, fixed factor, this machine remains constant 1. So we cannot change this fixed factor of machine in the short period. What we can do is we go on increasing a variable factor, this labor. 1 on the same machine, 2 laborers on the same machine, 3 on the same machine, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We went on increasing the labor units on the same machine. So what happened to TPP? You can see it here, total product. The first laborer is giving you 4 units of output. 2 laborers are giving you 10. So you can see the average product here. So in the first laborer, just 1 laborer, 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. 2 laborers have given you 10 pence, so 10 upon 2 is 5. 3 laborers you engaged on the same machine, it has gone up to 18, so that is 18 upon 3 is 6. Then 4 laborers 24, 24 upon 4 6. 5 laborers 28, 6 laborers 30, and 7 laborers 30, and 8 laborers 28. So TPP is initially increasing, then TPP also became constant and declined since average product, remember this, 4, 5, 6. As you go on engaging the laborers 1, 2, 3, 4, APP is increasing 4, 5, 6, then it became constant 6 again, then after this it is declining 5.6, then 5, 4.2, 3.2, 5. Mind it, one thing, average product can never be 0 because TPP can never be 0. So look at the graph here, we've shown on the graph AP curve, average product curve. On the x-axis you got variable factor or labor units. On the y-axis you got average product. So at 0 level of labor units, it's 0, starting from 0 axis, then it's going up. Then AP is maximum and then declining. AP curve is declining. Mind it, AP curve will never touch the x-axis because AP can never be 0 because total product can never be 0. That is average product. So what did you get? Average product is per unit production of a labor. AP is equal to TP upon labor units. For example, if 5 laborers have produced 50 pence, average product will be total product TP upon labor units. 50 upon 5, that comes up to be 10. That means on an average each laborer is giving you 10 pence. So what happens to average product as you go on engaging a variable factor labor on the same fixed factor machine? AP first increases, then becomes constant, reaches its maximum and then declines. That's why the average product curve will go up and then declines. AP curve is inverted U-shaped curve. It's a U-shape, it's the other way around, inverted U-shaped curve. That's average product. So average product is per unit production of labor. We can find out AP by dividing TP upon labor units. What happens to AP as we go on increasing more number of units of output, more number of units of labor? AP first it will go up, then reaches the maximum and comes down. That's why AP curve will go up and then comes down. And AP can never be 0. So AP in simple terms may be hypothetical figures 4, 5, 6, then it comes down 6, 5, 4, 3, somewhat like this. That's about average product. I'm sure you must have got the concept. You remember the total product. From total product easily, it's easy to get average product. Total product is 4, 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30 and 28, and you get perfect average product figures and average product curve. That's all we have time for this video. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussein. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on our videos. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye guys, and make sure that you keep jotting down the notes in your notebooks. Goodbye.